If you want to get a level 2 on your test, here is what it's going to look like. Level 2, it says, number 1, label the X and Y axes. And then add a scale of 1 to the coordinate plane. Label the coordinates for the point 1 on the graph. So this is a little bit opposite what I told you, but it's fine. So what we're asking you to do, here's the x-axis. Whoa, I want to make that smaller. Give me a sec. All right, we'll take care of that. Okay, so what it's saying is we want to label the x and the y-axis. Check. Add a scale of 1 to the coordinate plane. So what they're saying is this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Over here is -1, -2, -3. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then we go down -1, -2, -3, and so on. So add those in there. Now, what I told you all, if you don't see a count, we're assuming it's 1, but we're just showing you and seeing if you can show us, what does it mean to add a scale? What does it mean to add a scale? If I told you to add a scale of 2, you would have been counting each box 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So the question here is saying a scale of 1. Okay, 3, label the coordinates for point A on the graph paper. So you will, on your test tomorrow, you're just going to be given a graph paper, and then you're going to be given another sheet that it's going to continue to tell you to do a different task. So you don't necessarily need to turn that other sheet in, or it's not anything you need to work on. You're just going to turn it in with your graph. So here, label your point on your graph. So here's my point, A, and I know that it has an x and a y coordinate. So what are the coordinates for A? I go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I go 6 in the x direction, and then we go 1, 2, up 2 in the y direction. So now I can check off 3 because I've labeled and identified point A is 6, 2.